Property and casualty insurance. This means that here in the Benefits and Risk Management Office, we ensure that we have the appropriate insurances on all our property, equipment, buses, etc. So if there is a loss, we can file the claim accordingly and recover for the district. Here in the Benefits and Risk Management Office, we also receive all unemployment compensation claims. If you leave the district and file for unemployment, then we will receive a copy of this claim. We represent the district in any type of unemployment claims and file any appeals. Workers' compensation is for on-the-job injuries. Northside Independent School District receives approximately 2,000 injury claims per year. Not all 2,000 employees seek medical treatment. Only about 900 need to see the doctor. However, since the district is self-insured, meaning we have no insurance company to pay our claims, all monies incurred to pay for medical treatment, surgeries, therapy, and lost time from work comes from the Northside Independent School District budget. Last year, we spent close to $2 million on work-related injuries. The district invests money in making sure we have a safe working environment, providing us with equipment and tools that make our job easier, and ensuring that we have proper personal protective equipment when needed. As employees, we need to follow all safety procedures. Sedgwick is our third-party administrative company that processes all of our workers' compensation claims, which includes speaking with injured employees, doctors, and risk management staff in order to ensure proper attention is given to your claim. The district safety specialist gathers information from employees regarding what caused their injury so a determination can be made if a change in your work process is needed or if safety equipment is properly used to prevent further injuries. If your injury requires medical treatment, all your medical notes must be delivered to the Risk Management Office. Your supervisor should be informed if you have restrictions or limitations. The district has an excellent Transitional Duty program. This program allows employees to recover from an injury while still attending work. An example of this is if you are unable to lift and your job requires lifting, you may be placed in an alternative position until you have recovered. All this information will be discussed with you when you visit the Benefits and Risk Management Office. Effective October 1st, 2011, we joined a healthcare network. If you are ever injured on the job, you will be provided a list of doctors to choose from. Please contact the Benefits and Risk Management Office at 397-8720. Hazardous communication is chemical safety. We have a written HAZCOM program for the district. Most employees do not work with chemicals. However, the employees that do work with chemicals, such as custodians, science teachers, and child nutrition employees, they are provided in-depth training. The availability of material safety data sheets are readily available at any campus. If an exposure occurs, the data sheet will provide all the information to proceed to the next steps for medical treatment and/or cleanup. Your responsibility. We ask you to follow all the safety rules and processes. When you're out there, make yourself aware, assess your situation. It is important that you are provided and contributing to a safe working environment. So if you see any unsafe conditions, please report it immediately so that we can handle it as soon as possible. If you do have any injuries, it's your duty to report that injury. If you are taking any personal medications, please keep those out of sight and out of reach of students. If you have any questions at all, please notify our office at 397-8720 so we can assist you in any way possible. The Risk Management Office is always willing to help and walk you through any processes needed to create a safe workplace.